Okay, this is Timothy Carroll from Carroll Consultancy Group, and we're in Snack Bite Train Class Raw Vegan Chef Diego Castro from Buenos Aires. We have focused a lot on building immunity, world-class foods to eat, supplements, the mindset, etc. Today, we're going to be looking at more recipes, more techniques, and we're going to hand it over to the master, Diego Castro.
Almond milk. First thing, you need to soak the almonds overnight or at least 8 hours. So activating almonds is a key thing to get good almond milk. After that, you need to use, to make 1 liter, you need to use 1 cup of the milk, the almonds, and new fresh water. You blend it for at least 30 seconds to 1 minute.
Got it.
You make this. I did it on advance because of the noise.
That looks great.
The difference between the hemp milk and the almonds is that we need to milk the almonds. So you need a nut milk bag, it's a piece of fabric, to get rid of the fiber. So after blending the water and the almonds, we just need to milk the almonds. The most important thing is to look to get the last drop of the liquid. It's the most important drop because it's the one who has more concentration of the almonds.
Yeah.
The flavor, because in the beginning, all the water comes really easy and fast, but we are going to look out of the last drop. We can also use the fiber to create a dessert by adding that, like we can use the fiber from the almonds, put it in a bowl and add some coconut oil, some cacao, some coconut sugar, and make a chocolate brownie.
Oh,
chocolate brownie, just by adding a pinch of salt, some coconut, some cacao powder, and some sweetener. Like you can use, if you are not vegan, honey or agave, which is not very healthy, but coconut sugar, coconut nectar. So you see, the last drops are coming out.
Yeah.
And if we want to keep the fiber to make a dessert, just go for it. It's easy. We can learn how to make it some other day.
Sure.
So second thing, we're gonna blend it again. This is also liquid and white, looks like milk, but we're gonna do it better. We're gonna add some pink salt to add some minerals, and we're gonna add coconut oil. So just 1 teaspoon of coconut in 1 liter is more than enough. So we're gonna blend it again for 10 seconds. And we can keep this milk in the fridge up to 5 to 7 days. So it's good to make enough. So normally I do a glass jar, big one, 3 liters. And I do with 3 cups of almonds, I make 3 liters of milk. And I keep it in the fridge and I'm using it every day to make smoothies.